Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Children, can I ask you some questions? Do you have any pet in your home? Yes. You have pet animal like dog, cat, birds, isn't it, children? Children, do you believe that animals do have feelings just like a human being? Do you believe that? Yes. Yes, children. Animals have feelings just like a human beings. Usually we put a biscuit on a dog. That dog comes every day. A dog is a very faithful animal. Do you know that? Yes. And a cat we put in our home, it will never steal a milk. Isn't it? When we will put milk, then only the cat will drink that. Those pet animals live with us. They are very worried about us. Do you think why I am saying about animals today? Yes. Yes, children. Today we are going to learn our English Unit 5, Adopt a Pet. Open your English textbook. Unit 5, Adopt a Pet. Page number 60. Open page number 60. Page number 60. Unit 5. Adopt a pet. Let us listen. Children, first I will read this lesson. Then I will explain hard words and lesson. Let's start. Can you believe a cat can respond emotionally to human sorrow? This story appeared in the English magazine Tomorrow. Bill, the cat, was at home while his master was away on a trip. The man was seriously injured in a railway accident during this trip. He died a few days later in a hospital. At the burial, the man's brother was shocked to see Bill at the burial site. The faithful cat had travelled to the faraway hospital gravesite, looked at the coffin with the tears in its eyes, and then had a return home. Is this not an example of animals' love towards human? Children, here burial means cremation, means samadhi sthala. In this story is taken by from the English magazine Tomorrow. In this story, Bill is a cat. Bill's master went on tour or a trip. At that time, Bill will be staying in a home only. The master who went on the trip gets into a railway accident. The man who was seriously injured in a railway accident during this trip. And few days later, he died in a hospital. And later, at the cremation site, the man's brother was very shocked to see Bill at the cremation site. The faithful cat had travelled to the faraway hospital gravesite, looked at the coffin with the tears in its eyes, and then had returned home. Cat travelled to the faraway hospital gravesite to see his master. Is this not an example of animals' love towards humans? Yes, children. Animals have feelings just like us. They have feelings, emotionals. That lesson, adopt a pet. Mona likes the local zoo very much. She enjoys visiting it. It has different kinds of animals in it. The animals do not live in a cages, but in the places they are used to. The zoo makes these places for them. For example, an ice machine makes the penguin swimming pool very cold, making it suitable for them. Mona enjoys watching the chimpanzees. They live in a cage with trees, caves, rocks, and a small lake. There are about 15 chimps, including 4 babies. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. They feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. Mona also likes watching birds in the aviary. An aviary is a small forest with a wire net over and around it. The birds can fly about and build their nets in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. Some, like the pelicans, are very large birds. An aviary can accommodate bigger birds also. A variety of birds are seen here. It is interesting to observe their movements in it. The zoo needs money to feed the animals. Some people adopt animals and pay for their food. Mona has adopted a small monkey. She sends rupees 20 every month to the zoo to pay for the monkey's food. She wanted to adopt a tiger. Tigers need meat every day. To provide food for them would be very expensive. Monkeys eat nuts and fruits which are cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey. Adapted from Hello English Pupils Handbook 4. Orient Longman. Take pencil and underline some new words. Zoo. Zoo means a place where living, usually wild animals, are kept for a showing to the people or a public. Cage. Cage means up and buried enclosure. Caves, a large hollow place formed by natural process or a hill. Atmosphere. Atmosphere means the layer of gases around the earth. Aviary means a place where birds are kept. Accommodate. Accommodate means to provide with a something needed. Adopted. Adopted means to accept as your own. Expensive. Expensive means costly. You have visited any zoo? Yes. See, Mona likes the local zoo very much. Mona likes local zoo very much. She enjoys visiting it because zoo has a different kinds of animals in it. So Mona likes to visit local zoo because she enjoys there. The animals do not live in cages but in the place they are used to. In zoo, animals are not kept in a cages but in the places they are used to. How they live in a forest? Same as they live in a zoo. The zoo makes these places for them. For example, an ice machine makes the penguin swimming pool very cold, making it suitable for them. See, in this picture, penguins need swimming pool, that too cold swimming pool. That's why in a zoo they are arranged ice machine. These ice machines are keep swimming pool very cold because like this cold swimming pool suitable for the penguins. Also enjoys watching the chimpanzees. In the zoo, she enjoys watching the chimpanzees. They live in a cage with the trees. Children, cage means barred enclosure with the trees, caves, rocks and a small lake. Chimpanzees have cage with the trees and a caves, rocks and a small lake. Lake means a big pool. There are about 15 chimps. In that zoo, there are 15 chimps, including 4 babies. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. See children, in the zoo there are 15 chimps including 4 babies, and their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. They feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. They feel secure in the zoo also because they have a similar atmosphere in the zoo as in the forest. And Mona also likes watching birds in the aviary. Aviary means a place where birds are kept. In aviary, a small forest with a wire net over and around it. See children, in this picture they are showing it. The birds can fly about and build their nest in the trees. In the zoo, the birds can fly about around it, and they build their own nest in the trees. They have sufficient place to build the nest in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. Some like the pelicans. Pelicans means a large, a beautiful water bird. Are very large birds. Pelicans are a very large birds. It's a water bird. And ivory can accommodate bigger birds also. Accommodate means to provide with us something needed. How the birds need the place? That much place and that atmosphere. Zoo, they provide the birds. A variety of birds are seen here. It is interesting to observe their movement in it. It is very interesting to observe the birds' movement in it. The zoo needs money to feed the animals. Children, the zoo provide many facilities to birds and animals. So they need money to feed the animals. That's why some people adopt animals and pay for their food. So some people visited to the zoo, and some people adopt animals. Adopt means to accept as our own. Some people adopt animals and pay for the money their food. They will pay for their food. Mona has adopted a small monkey. She sends ₹20 every month to the zoo. Mona has adopted a small monkey and she sends every month 20 rupees to the zoo to pay for the monkey's food. But Mona wanted to adopt a tiger. But tiger needs meat every day. So to provide food for them would be very expensive. Means to provide food for a tiger, it will be very costly. But monkeys eat nuts and fruits, which are the cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey because Mona is a small girl. She is a small girl. She can spend only 20 rupees. So she adopted a small monkey. Moral of the story is we should help animals. Whenever we visit to the zoo, we should adopt one small animal. Which you want. You can spend some money for their food. They feel better and we also feel happy. So don't harm to the any animal. If you can, you should help to the animal, any animal. If we adopt any animals means we will saving their life. And it's help the break to cycle of pet overpopulation. Children, if you can't adopt an animal, at least you can put some food for animals. Give some food for the animals. Understood, children?